Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 6 and the name of the lesson is Mauryan Age, Chandragupta and Emperor Ashoka. So let's start the lesson. As it was Sunday, all the children of the society gathered in the ground to play cricket. Bhavya and Jalpa formed team. Coin was tossed to decide bowling and batting. Jalpa said, "Heads." The coin fell on the ground. It was heads. So Jalpa asked for batting. Hetans asked, "Where do we find lion figure on the coin?" Bhavya explained to him, "The lion figure on the coin is heads. This lion figure has been engraved on the huge pillar of Sarnath. This pillar was built by Emperor Ashoka of Mauryan dynasty. India has recognized it as national symbol." Now children, you can see on page number 26, picture number 6.1, lion, capital of Sarnath. Now next topic is Mauryan dynasty founder and ruler. With the help and guidance of Chanakya, Chandragupta defeated the last emperor, Dhananand, of the Nand dynasty in 321 BC and established the Mauryan dynasty on the throne of Magad. The information about the political, economical, and social life of that time has been found from the book called Arthasastra, that is economics, written by Chanakya. Chandragupta conquered 4 territories: Kabul, Kandahar, Herat, and Baluchistan by defeating the Greek king Seleucus Nicator. Seleucus married his daughter Helena with Chandragupta. He sent his ambassador Megasthenes to the court of Chandragupta. The book Indica, written by Megasthenes, provides basic information about the administration of the Magad Empire. Now next topic is extension of state. Chandragupta, with his valor and Chanakya's diplomacy, spread the Mauryan dynasty over whole of India. He ruled from Afghanistan, Peshawar, Kandahar in the north to Bengal in the east. Chandragupta appointed Vaishya Amatya named Pushyagupta as the governor of Saurashtra. Pushyagupta constructed Sudarshan Lake in Girnar foothills in Girinagar, that is Junagadh. The regions of South India like Konkan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, etc. were also a part of the Magad Empire. Now, Konkan, Karnataka, Maharashtra and other regions of South India were also a part of Magad Empire. In the northwest, the territory up to the western Gandhar, that is Afghanistan, were also under authority of Chandragupta. Thus, the sovereignty of Mauryan Empire was practiced all over India. Now children, you can see page number 27. Map is given. 6.2 extension of Mauryan Empire. So please go through this map. Mauryan Empire, main towns and places where archives have been found. So please go through this map. Chandragupta spent the last time of his life with Jain Muni Bhadrabahu in Shravan Belgoda of Mysore, now Karnataka. He died in 297 BC. Description about Chandragupta's 24 years rule over state and his adoption of Jainism in the last year of his life is found in Jain Puranas. The history before establishment of Mauryan dynasty in India is called prehistory. The exact and supporting information of Mauryan dynasty is available from various sources. The Mauryan Empire established by Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Vishnugupta Chanakya is said to be the first historical empire of India. Children, sources providing information about Mauryan dynasty, work and writer name is given in this chart. First one is Arthashastra, Acharya Vishnugupta Chanakya, Kautilya. Indica, writer is Megasthenes. Deepvansh and Mahavansh, writer is Buddhist text Ceylon. And Mudra Raksha's drama written by Vishaka Dutt. In addition to this, historical information is also obtained from stone inscription, pillars inscription, cave inscription, stupas and viharas, etc. Now the next topic is Grand Trunk Road. In short, we will say GTR. It is the oldest and longest road in the Asian continent. This road was at first constructed at the time of Chandragupta Maurya. It is used to connect Tamrilipati and Takshashila with Central Asia. At that time, this road extended from the Ganges plains to Gandhar. The road was rebuilt during the reigns of Sher Shah Suri. During British rule, Dalhousie rebuilt the road from Kolkata to Peshawar. At present, this road is known as National Highway from Delhi to Calcutta. Now, next topic is Bindusar. Bindusar 297 BC to 273 BC. After the death of Chandragupta, his son Bindusar came to the throne of Magad. He retained the huge kingdom inherited from father Chandragupta and gifted the same to his son Ashoka. It can be considered as one of his greatest achievements. During the rule of Bindusar, Prince Sushim was appointed governor of Takshashila and Prince Ashoka of Avanti. Sushim failed to control the rebellion of Takshashila during his time, while Ashoka successfully suppressed the rebellion. Bindusar did not conquer any new territory during his reign, but maintained friendly relations with Greek kings. He regained on the throne of Magad for about 25 years. Now, student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.